back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the premium car dealer website, fully responsive and very good looking. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video to the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Blog, contact us page, and guys, if you want this website code, then email me here, and you can have me as well for your work. So back to website demo, car dealership website. So friends, see here the beautiful demo, the top section. See the demo details that I have added, the beautiful map navigation, the header with slider carousel. See friends, beautiful info and back which as well. See the beautiful cars with carousel slider as well. See advanced search as well. See friends, explore premium vehicles, feature collection. See friends, beautiful effect, title, pricing, year, kilometer and good details button as well. Buy with confidence. Why choose section, scroll a bit down, long calculator. See friends, and it's fully working. See. Works well. Browse by brand section or category section as well. Scroll a bit down, the testimonial. See guys, with carousel, find us easily, map and the in detail section and footer. Scroll top and Bootstrap button as well. And friends, if you will have any kind of query and you want this, then ping me on my email, therichposts@therichgmail.com, and after it I will come with more demos. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.